Hello, this is Zach, and I'm going to show you how to add the location IDs to the elevations. So on this job, we have the project browser, which lists all the objects that are in Revit, all the views, the sheets, and the families. Those are the main three that I use a lot. Under the views, we have a section called elevations that lists all the elevations, and these have been placed onto sheets down below to form the drafting sheets, the shop drawing sheets. So we want to add our location IDs to the actual elevation views. So I'm going to open one of these elevations. I'm just going to skip the building elevations. Go straight to this one, double click on it. That should open it up in your window. If you want to go back, you can always close this and it'll go back to your 3D view. 3D view is also over here if you need to click on it to open it. If you close all the windows for a Revit project, the whole project closes down. So let's go back to this elevation. Right now it's in shop drawing view mode. It has detail bubbles. It has all the annotations, the glass types, glass type callouts, that kind of stuff. You can change this over here in the properties window. Scroll down to identity data, and if you don't see view template, that's because your identity data is collapsed like this. So uncollapse it, go to view template, and in the view template dialog, you'll want to change it to palette key sheet. That will convert it to this view temporarily, at least, to a palette schedule type. I hit OK. If the view template, that's what this is, it's a view template. If it was set up correctly, these should have disappeared. You notice the glass bubbles disappeared, but it's not quite set up right. The detail bubbles didn't disappear. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. So under here, palette key sheet, this is all the settings. The only place you need to worry about is this VG overrides annotation. Go here and click edit. Brings up another dialog. And to turn off the detail bubbles, you want to scroll all the way down to sections and uncheck that so they're not visible when using this view template. And the thing you want to make sure it's on is the curtain panel tags. That's where we're going to be putting our location IDs. So that's already on, so I'm okay. I'll hit OK there and hit OK there. And now the detail bubbles disappear. If I want to go back, I just click over here to View Template, and instead of WW Palette Key Sheet, I change it back to WW Elevations, hit OK, and everything pops back up. But so that I see what I'm doing, I want to be in WW Palette Key Sheet. Alright, now that I'm in here, I'm going to add tags to this, and the tags should already exist in your project, and if they don't, you can ask me or Gabe to add it to your project for you. But the easiest way we found to do this is you want to select a unit. So right now I can tell from the lower left corner that this is WWPO South RO. That's the ref opening. That's the unit. I can see it's highlighting just one unit. So click on that. I have the one unit selected. Once you have it selected, you can right click, and then you can go over here to select panels. And then if you click panels on host, that will select all of the units that are in this elevation. Like that. So it selected 3 panels, which are the 3 units. Make sure that number is close. Now that these are all selected, I can go over to annotate, tag all. And this will bring up a dialog box. So in the middle. So because I've pre-selected some objects, it has put me automatically on the option to apply the tags only to the selected objects in the current view, which is what you want. And the tags that I want to add are these curtain panel tags, and we're going to use the WW unit all info tag. So just have this line selected and hit apply. And it should insert onto your drawing. If I hit OK to close it, little unit number and the ID number. For this one happens to be 1, 2, 3 are the ID numbers on this. Alright, done with this elevation. I just move on to the second one. So I'll repeat that. I'll go a little faster. This one's a little bigger, but again, all I have to do is select one unit. That is the unit. I use tab to cycle through. I have the one selected, right click, select panels, panels on host. That should select all of them. There are 12, and I got 12 there. Looks good. Go over here to annotate, tag all. It's already doing the selected objects in current view. I have the current panel tag selected. I hit apply, and it drops them all in. 7's, oh, looks like it's going this way. 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't really matter which way they go, but they're all going to be unique because that's how UPD works. Also, you'll notice that on this view template, so if I click out here to elevation 2, the view template that it's using right now is none. If I change it to palette key sheet, the detail bubbles disappear. If I change it to elevations, so under elevations, the curtain panel tags are also supposed to disappear, so I'll fix that. Similar to how I fixed the palette key sheet. So under WW elevations, I go to overrides annotations, edit, and the curtain panel tags, they should not be visible. Apply, okay, okay. Now they're gone. So I can switch back and forth between elevation and palette key sheet by changing the view template. Once you've changed the view templates to be right, it should work on any of these elevations, because they all use the same template. So you would do this over and over again until you finish all of your elevations. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, but with floor plans, which is how I should have done this job in the first place, because all of these elevations have multiple quantities. Thank you very much.